You know, BioShield is not just some off-the-shelf vitamin that you get at the food store. It actually was put together with a pretty interesting group of participants. This was work not only with my colleagues, as I described them, antioxidant researchers and important clinicians and clinical trial doctors, but in fact the Department of Defense was intimately involved in some of the development. That included the Marine Corps, the Navy, the Army, and very importantly NASA. We were able to work with NASA not only at the Johnson Space Center down in Houston, but also at the Ames Laboratory in California, as well as the Russian Institute of Science and the Radiation Group in Moscow. This was quite an extensive group of participants and really an amazing venture. It took about 10 years of development. We did a lot of studies. We started in the laboratory, and then we moved to animals, and then we ultimately moved to human trials. You know, as you can imagine, this kind of an undertaking took many years and a lot of money. We were very fortunate. We were able to work with the U.S. Congress that was very vitally interested in providing a protective product that could not only initially help troops in our military, but in fact could help us as civilians globally. The U.S. Congress actually gave us many millions of dollars over several years to do all of the clinical trials that we wanted. We were able to work with both political parties. We were able to work with the Senate, with the House of Representatives. This was really a group effort. That's what makes the BioShield story so unique. We were able to do clinical trials. We were able to use the money effectively both in this country and in other countries to get all of the work done that we needed. And we have a very, very interesting library of intellectual property, resultant patents. Can you believe we have patents on this? Because I can tell you very few companies are able to actually patent micronutrients.